Right, I catch up remotely with some of Ineos Automotive's senior management team to find out how they're handling the coronavirus challenge. Can you give me any examples of where it's been tricky?
Every shape that's created on the front of the rear of the vehicle must respect the approach and the departure angle. Otherwise, as you quite rightly said, people will not see this as fit for function.
Essentially, the Grenadier's base is going to be in Wales. Why Wales?
Well, we wanted to be able to create our own identity. What we wanted to do was have our own facility. We didn't want to take somebody else's. We wanted to create something specific.
Oliver, it's great to see you. What are the really big challenges to conquer from your point of view?
To have the digital engineering done, but now you have to actually put it in the physical world, and this is ahead of us.
Dirk, thank you very much for finding some time to speak to me. I know you're a very busy man. So what stage are we at now?
Coming out of COVID, coming out of that crisis, we have lost some time here and we need to make it up. We are not jeopardizing the quality, so we need to find ways of testing very hard, very rigorously.
What is that photo on the other side of you?
That's actually a picture of the winter testing.
That is the Grenadier.
This is a Grenadier prototype running in Sweden, yes.
When will the world get to see it?
I think it's a matter of weeks now. You can look forward to it soon.